Alpha Arbutin is extracted from plants such as bearberries, blueberries, and cranberries, and it's a safe skin brightening ingredient which helps to fade scars and pigmentation left behind two things: breakouts and sun damage. In this video, you will learn what exactly Alpha Arbutin is, how does it work in the skin, who should consider using it, and how to incorporate it into your skincare. It's a topic I'm excited to talk about because you guys have been asking me a ton about it, so I'm happy to make a video finally addressing it. Please make sure to stay until the end as I'll reveal to you guys what my favorite Alpha Arbutin product is. I'll be making more in-depth active ingredient videos just like this one in the future, so make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to not miss out on future videos. Also, if you learned anything in this video, give it a like down below too. It'll seriously make my day and it'll help others find this video as well. So to make this video short and simple and easy to refer back to, I'll first talk about what it is. Arbutin is a naturally occurring compound found in many plant sources such as bearberry, mulberry, and as one of my favorites, pomegranate. You may have even heard of arbutin. Alpha arbutin and arbutin are both used interchangeably. Alpha arbutin is just the chemically synthesized version, which you find mostly in the skincare products. There's beta arbutin version out there too, but don't bother trying to get your hands on this one as it's much less effective than the alpha version. Secondly, let's talk about how it'll work in the skin. You see, Alpha Arbutin is frequently marketed as a safer alternative to hydroquinone, which you all know has been banned and most countries are getting a lot of controversy about it. It has similar results in brightening the skin but without the dangerous bleaching process that hydroquinone has. But because Alpha Arbutin is still a derivative of hydroquinone, it works by slowly releasing it over time. This will then inhibit tyrosinase, which is the key enzyme responsible for the production of melanin or pigment in the skin. To put it simple, less tyrosinase means less pigment, which means less discoloration and dark spots. And on the top of that, Alpha Arbutin is also known to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. But you might be starting to think, well, if it releases hydroquinone, doesn't it still have all the same side effects? That's an excellent question. The short answer is no. Because Alpha Arbutin releases the hydroquinone slowly, the skin isn't exposed to too much of it all at once, which is awesome, right? Because this reduces the chance of those side effects. But if you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, since it does release hydroquinone, I would skip it as it would not be deemed safe in pregnancy. Now let's talk about who should consider using it. If you're not pregnant and you are struggling to fade away those dark spots, acne scars, and melasma, and used to be on hydroquinone and can't find it anywhere because of the ban, Alpha Arbutin may be a great alternative. Especially if you have darker skin tone, which is more prone to hyperpigmentation, and also if you've tried every other product out there and found no luck, then Alpha Arbutin may in fact work for you. But what if, let's say, you have sensitive skin? Would Alpha Arbutin still be a good choice? Another good question. So give this video a like for all the great questions you guys have sent me. If you have sensitive skin, then it's worth giving Alpha Arbutin a try, since it's known for being gentler on the skin and gentler than other skin brighteners like retinol and glycolic acid. Also, it's found to be relatively well tolerated compared to other powerful ingredients I see people trying all the time, like, your certain acids and peels, which may cause irritation and dryness. It also doesn't make the skin more sensitive to the sun, meaning you can safely use it year round. But when you do first use it, give it a spot test first to make sure your skin reacts kindly. Now that we covered who it might be best for and who should consider using it, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your skincare. The first question I'll probably get is, does it interact well with my other products? And to answer that, Alpha Arbutin plays really well with your other products, so you can easily work it into your existing routine. Now, you want to follow the directions on the particular product that you did pick, but generally speaking, you'll want to apply it twice daily on clean, dry skin for maximum results before your moisturizer. And to boost its benefits before giving up on it, let's say if you've tried it for a month or two and haven't seen any good news, apply it alongside your vitamin C, your azelaic acids, kojic acids, or niacinamide. Which, by the way, I have a video for all those ingredients that you should watch too. Because let's face it, dealing with hyperpigmentation is complicated and can take a lot of trial and error before figuring out. So by combining them, you're coming at the issue from every angle. And I'll be here for you guys to answer any questions. One thing to note is that it's very heat sensitive, so you want to make sure you don't leave it in your car and that you do store it in a cool and dry place like a drawer in between uses. And now, probably what you all been waiting for, which product do I recommend? With the research I've done, I've surprisingly found a number of great products from different brands out there, and although I'm not paid to promote or sponsored by them, I really do like the budget-friendly one by The Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin 2% plus the Hydroquinone acid if I had to pick one product. For about $10, you could get all the benefits of Alpha Arbutin with hyaluronic acid. Now, I'm a big fan of the combination because of the hyaluronic acid. It's there to improve the absorption. It's super lightweight and delivers a healthy dose of hydration. It's also fast absorbing and layers pretty easily with underneath all the other products, and it's great for all skin types. Also, what I like about it is that there's no fragrance, no alcohol, sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, formaldehyde, and it's also vegan if that matters to you in any way. And I have always loved The Ordinary's packaging. It's compact, minimalistic, and the dropper makes it easy to control how much of the product you apply to the skin. It's a great product, and I've left it down below alongside other great ingredients that fight dark spots, so definitely check those out below this video. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I'll be answering questions, so definitely comment down below. Like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe and turn on that bell on so I can see you guys on the next one.